Welcome to my YouTube channel Zaib Home and Beauty. I hope you like my previous videos. Thanks for your support. Now today our topic about pear fruit. So let's start the video. About an introduction of pear. Pears are fruits produced and consumed around the world, growing on a tree and harvested in late summer into mid-autumn. The pear tree and shrub are a species of genus Pears in the family Rosaceae, bearing the pomaceous fruit of the same name. Types of pear. There are over 3,000 types of pears worldwide. They vary in size, shape, sweetness, and crispness. But we are presenting between these 3,000. Some of the more common types of this fruit in the United States include 1. Green Anjou 2. Red Anjou 3. Bartlett 4. Red Bartlett 5. Bosc 6. Comus 7. Forley 8. Concord 9. Seckel 10. Starkrimson. People who wish to add pears to their diet should ask a local grocer about the best type for their tastes. Nutrition. One medium pear trusted source weighing around 178 grams g contains 101 calories, 0.285 g of fat, 26.9 g of carbohydrate, including 17.2 g of sugar and 5.52 g of fiber, 0.676 g of protein. Pears also provide essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium. They also provide smaller amounts of calcium, iron, magnesium, riboflavin, vitamin B6, folate. Pears, especially those with red skin, also contain carotenoids, flavonoids, and anthocyanins. These are plant compounds that offer several health benefits and act as antioxidants. Benefits. Consuming all types of fruits and vegetables can reduce the risk of several health conditions, and pears are no exception. They provide a significant amount of fiber and other essential nutrients and can help reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain gut conditions. In the sections below, we look at the specific health benefits of pears. 1. Providing fiber. 2. Treating diverticulosis. 3. Reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. 4. Encouraging detoxification. 5. Fighting free radicals. For more informative videos, like, share, subscribe our channel Zaib Home and Beauty.